About mortgages. A number of viewers have been asking me, do I still have to pay my mortgage if my house burns down? And I got bad news for you. Yes, you do. A deal is a deal. Think of it like this. You finance a new car, you drive off the lot, the next day it gets stolen, you're still on the hook for your financing payments. It's the same thing with the mortgage. However, I'm happy to say that forbearance, which is basically what a fancy way of saying deferred payments, is possible from your mortgage servicer, not necessarily the bank from which you got your initial loan, but the servicer that's now handling the loan. Contact them if you're in this situation and work out some schedule whereby you can defer payments for hopefully months, if not years, until down the road. But ultimately, you will have to pay for that loan.
Something we brought up earlier today, too, with this forbearance. Say they freeze it and you don't have to pay your mortgage payment. You said the interest keeps accruing.
It does indeed. The mortgage, in fact, the terms of the loan do not change. So forbearance means you're just going to put it off for a little while. You are not rewriting the terms of the loan. So at the end of the day, you will get bit financially. And again, a deal is a deal, and so that's the problem. But I wouldn't be surprised, considering the scope of the problem here, if a number of mortgage servicers or financial firms don't come to some sort of terms on this kind of thing, because thousands and thousands of families are going to be unable to deal with this financial hit in the coming years.
Okay, so if you still have to pay your mortgage after your house is burnt down, and thousands of people's houses are burnt down who might not be able to afford it because they have to get a new house and they don't have insurance, then they're probably going to default. And then some people are probably just going to default on purpose because, hey, you'll never get another chance to get out of your mortgage like this. And then what happens to the banks? Because they can't exactly repossess ashes. And if that's the case, don't we get another situation on a micro level, another 2008 housing crash, but on a micro scale? So I mean, the banks take a huge hit because people are saying the banks are greedy, they don't care, you still have to pay your mortgage, but they're in trouble.